Western Specialty Contractors is a nationwide restoration contractor. We've been doing waterproofing coatings for years. So that's why it's such a good fit and an easy transition for Western to get into this flooring market, is because we're already doing it.
Right now we're at our flooring seminar, joint partnership with Sika. We're basically getting a bunch of branches trained up across the nation on how to put down Sika flooring systems and how to install quality product.
And there's a lot of things to learn on floors, and there's skill set that's required to make sure that product gets installed right. It comes back to the guys and gals in the field that are installing those products, and we recognize that it's important to have the right partners for those sectors and segments.
When you have great supplier partners, it really makes a difference. But them willing to come here, get their hands dirty, as we're learning how to apply the different product to really kind of eliminate that learning curve.
We got 6 Western branches trained as an authorized flooring installer through Sika's Flooring, and it's something that we're looking to grow even further.
From Sika's standpoint, that investment up front allows us to broaden our expertise and help them take that step into the flooring market and do it successfully.
What I like most about the Sika products is there's one that seems to fit for every single application that our customers might need. I feel a lot more comfortable after this training program to make sure that we're putting down a very good product for the end user, our customer.
That type of relationship is what continues this partnership and turns it into something that Western's already experienced with other product lines from Sika.
The biggest takeaway I've learned from Chris and the Sika team is how quick we can start and finish a project for a client in the very tight timelines and turn over an area of a building for a client with minimal downtime.
That's the idea of this whole seminar, is take this momentum that we've started here and continue to grow it nationwide.
That's the exciting part about this, is it's much bigger than this training, and we're working with a partner that they understand that specifying and installing the right system is what delivers the finished product and creates that long-lasting return business that we're all interested in.